Alright, so I had bought this Excursion. It was no start, no run. Oil was mixed. We got all that fixed, brand new exotic head studs, head gaskets, bunch of brand new seals. The car was overall really clean inside. That's why I picked it up. I paid, what was it, $3,000 for the truck and $100 to tow it to my house. It was probably like a good not even, like 13 miles from the house. $100 was amazing. Nobody will get that price, but that was my best friend that did it for me. Anyways, I want to show you guys something. The lady sold me the car and told me she was a woman of Christ, all this. Gave me a bunch of runaround for me to basically buy the truck. I ended up turning on the truck in front of her. She didn't want to sell the car. The car turned on, but I didn't know it. They had drained the coolant because it was mixed. Anyways, all that is fixed, like I said. Now, here's a cool thing about it. It has a Volt. I don't have the combination code. Man, the cat scratched me. I don't have the combination code. I actually ran into her a couple weeks ago, probably like 2 weeks ago. And the lady was spooked, shook, because she didn't know that I lived near her. She thought I was from Miami, which was like an hour away from Boca. Anyways, I ran into her. I asked her for the code. She told me the code. Turns out she just made up a number quickly just to get me off of her back. And she's like, oh, she had a hard time speaking to her husband. She was never able to get in communication with her husband that got deported to, I think it was Guatemala or some Latin country, some Hispanic country there. Anyways, I called consolevotes.com.org, sorry. And they told me, hey, we'll give you the code. It's only $35. I was like, okay, I'm ready. The lady tells me, all right, all you have to do is drill the... Here, let me flip this over. All you have to do is drill these little corners out. And the button mechanism will come apart and we'll send you a new one. Yeah. Whoop, here we are. I'm going to do that today. She told me use a 1/4 inch. Got a brand new 1/4 inch drill bit. I'm gonna put this on here. I'm gonna stop the video and make a new video with this. Alright, so I got a Milwaukee with a 1/4 inch drill bit. She told me drill between the buttons, between the numbers, and let's see if that's the code. Let's see it come all apart. Oh wait, I think I just unlocked this. No, it did not unlock. It felt like it. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Anyways, it won't unlock. I don't understand the mechanism. I'm gonna drill right into it. Those numbers spinning quickly. I see two little holes on the corners right here too. Yeah, I'm not a professional at this. Okay, I got the number. Oh, there you go, unlocked. You guys saw it spin by itself. Well, there was nothing in here. Oh, she had some important files in here. Yeah, okay. Ain't no important files in here. I was gonna return them regardless, you know. Maybe they have passports or something. But anyways, let me clean up the mess, and that's how you drill. Here, I'll show you guys. What if this was unlocked the whole time? All we had to do was pull. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, console volt